in your heart, and I know that it is love. And this place could be much breathing tomorrow. And if you really try, you'll find there's no need to cry. In this place, you feel there's no heart or sorrow. There are ways to get there. If you can enough for anything, make a little space, make a better place in the world. Make it better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for anything, make a better place for you and for me. If you want to know why, there's a love that cannot lie. Love is strong, so be careful, joyful giving. If we try, we shall see. In the place we cannot feel, feel the dread. We stop and still start living. Then it feels that always loving out for us and growing. So the better world, make a better world. In the world, make it better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for anything, make a better place for you and for me. And the dreams we when can see them in real joyful face. And the world we once believed in shall gain grace. Then why do we keep struggling with this heart will save your soul? To this plain to see this world heavenly. Big God's glow. We can fly so high. Let those spirits never die. In my heart, I feel you are my brother. Create a world with no fear. Together we cry happy tears. See the nation turn this to my flashing. We can really get there if you care enough for anything. Make a little space to make a better place. Heal the world, make it better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying. If you care enough for children.